In our current culture, chaotic schedules and stress tend to be the norm, throwing us out of balance. Our overwhelming day-to-day existence conflicts with what we really desire: better health and connection. What would it feel like to bring ourselves back into balance, regaining harmony both physically and mentally? This exploration of the chakra system introduces you to the subtle energies inside each of us in an effort to take a step toward greater overall well-being. The chakras are part of an ancient healing system that allows us to work with subtle energies in the body to heal physical ailments as well as emotional distress. Understanding the chakra system enables us to take back control of our own lives. In this 3-hour introductory workshop, you will learn about the 7 major chakras, what they are, how they affect us on a physiological and emotional level, how you can address each chakra to find balance, and how you can begin to work towards self-healing with tools including yoga asanas, meditation, affirmations, essential oils, and sound healing.